So after we have successfully installed SQL Server 2017 Developer Edition, the next step is to install SSMS, which is the front end. So it's very easy. We can go to Google and search for SSMS download. It will take us to Microsoft page where we can directly install SQL Server Management Studio. Now, if we have directly clicked on the install SSMS from the SQL Server, it would have taken us to the same page.
It's a 539 MB file and it will take a couple of more minutes. Thus, I'll forward the video to save some time. Now, once it is downloaded,
Just click on it and it's super easy execution from there. Click on install and you can see it has started loading packages.
now the actual download time will depend upon the internet speed at the time of installation. I am using a 40 Mbps connection, so it just took me a couple of minutes and it was downloaded.
Wow, it's done. So it says setup completed. All specified components have been installed successfully.
Now, after you have successfully installed SSMS, let's try to open it on our PC. So let's simply go and search for SSMS. So you can see it's up there on the start menu. We have clicked it and you can see it is version 18.4, but the actual version might be different based on when you actually install it. This is the standard SQL Server authentication prompt. So I'll use Windows authentication as of now and click connect. So now we have a local connection and all the nodes are there. So looks like everything is fine. We have been able to successfully install and open SQL Server Management Studio. Next, we are going to install Visual Studio and then add SSIS package there as an extension. So thanks for watching. See you in next videos. Bye.